Alright, welcome to my channel. My name is Vince. You're watching Geocaching with Skeight. Geocaching is using multi-million-dollar satellites to find Tupperware in the woods, ammo cans, pill bottles, whatever you hide. And then, yeah, my channel's just about going on adventures with me. I live around Lake Tahoe, Nevada, California. Skeight 976, SK, spelled out 8, 976. Where I got that name from, I like to skate, rollerblade, not skateboard. And 976 is an old company, 976 Laundering, clothing company. So I want to let you know what I use for filming. I have a GoPro Hero 4 Silver. It's got that screen on the back, so it's a little easier to frame stuff up. It's got the wireless, so I can actually see what I'm filming sometimes on my phone. Just a cheapo Motorola. I usually can't film on my phone, but we will give it a try. 5 seconds on the phone. Not able to capture media. I guess we'll just take a picture of it then. I have just a regular GoPro stand. With the GoPro, I don't do any manual settings. It's all automatic color, automatic focus, all that stuff.
How many of you do real acting?
Oh, there goes my pen. Oh, there goes my glasses. This is why I don't act. Find multi-million-dollar. Wait, what's happening? My name's Vince. My name is Vince. My name is Vince. You're watching Geocaching with Skeight. You're watching Geocaching with Skeight. You're watching Geocaching with Skeight. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in.
Oh, we're back to the Matti and Peter crouch down low and look down at you point of view. Do any of you watch Matti and Peter? Shout out. Oh, Cody Blue from Tahoe.
Good times. Follow the fun. See you later. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe to me on Instagram. Check out the Facebook. Subscribe to YouTube. Have Twitter as well. Skeight 976.